Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser high RAM usage issues in 2026. If Zen Browser is using too much memory, slowing down your computer, or causing performance problems, this guide will help you reduce RAM usage step by step. First, restart Zen Browser and close any unnecessary tabs. Having too many tabs open at the same time is one of the most common causes of high memory usage. Next, check your installed extensions and disable any that you don't regularly use. Some extensions can consume significant amounts of RAM in the background. Now open Zen Browser's Task Manager or Performance tools, if available, and identify tabs or processes that are using excessive memory. Next, enable memory saving or tab sleeping features if your browser provides them. These features help reduce RAM consumption from inactive tabs. Now clear your browser cache and temporary data. Over time, accumulated data can affect browser performance. Next, make sure Zen Browser is updated to the latest version. Updates often include memory optimizations and bug fixes. Now close unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. If the issue continues, disable hardware-intensive features or experimental settings that may be increasing memory usage. Next, restart your computer to clear memory and refresh system processes. Finally, consider reducing the number of active tabs and extensions you use simultaneously for the best long-term performance. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen Browser high RAM usage issues. Your browser should now run more efficiently and use less system memory. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.